I got up this morning and I went to turn on my printer and the paper is jamming. Check this out. Alright, so now you're probably thinking to yourself, well, how do you fix a paper jam? Well, let me show you. Okay, so what you do is you got to reach into the back of your printer. Now, if you just feel around, you'll notice when the paper is jamming in the back. Yep, there it is. In the back, what you got to do is you got to find it and you got to get it out of there. There it is. See, that, my friends, was causing the paper jam. So just keep an eye out for these. Check the back of your printer occasionally, or if you ever get a paper jam, it's actually a really easy fix. Alright, well, hope that helps you guys with your printer issues, and have a great day.